If you want to see Apple Watch workouts on a map, there are a few things to have set up properly, plus the proper way to view it. So let's get into it. First of all, I want you to get inside the Watch app on your iPhone. There, go to the privacy section, and in there, you'll be able to see the fitness tracking as a toggle. Naturally, keep this toggled on. You might get the workout map even without it, but this feature makes sure the tracking is as accurate as possible. From this point on, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is to start a workout on your Apple Watch, usually something like a run, walk, or hiking. Keep the watch on your wrist during the whole time of your activity. After you finish the workout, make sure to also stop it on the watch by tapping the red X icon. After that, on your iPhone, inside the fitness application, you'll be able to see the history of your tracked runs and all other workouts. When you tap on the individual entries, you should also be able to open the map, zoom in and out, see intensity indicated by green or red color, and other information. One tip though is to always make sure you start an outdoor workout. It happens a lot, at least to me, that I accidentally click the indoor walk instead of outdoor. And this, even though it still tracks my heart rate and stuff, it leaves out the location as it's irrelevant indoors. So just a heads up. Anyways, that's going to be about it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't hesitate with clicking the like button, as it really helps the channel. You can subscribe as well. Thank you.